Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you turn on the dark mode on Facebook. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Facebook. After that, at the bottom of the page you will click on menu. And now you have to go to the settings. You have two options. At the top of the page you will click on the settings icon, or here settings and privacy, you click on it, and after that settings. And now you have to scroll down a little bit and you click on dark mode, and here you can change it. That's it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!